Hi, in this video our essay prompt is: some people say that economic development is necessary to reduce the poverty in the world. Others say that economic growth should be stopped immediately to stop damaging the environment. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. So I have underlined some important words like economic development. For economic development, you can use different synonyms in your essay. Economic growth is also a synonym for economic development. You can also use growing economy, develop economically, economic growth, economic expansion, economic rise, economic boom. So these are collocations for economic growth, economic expansion, economic rise, economic boom, and economic progress. So economic development, economic growth, and economic progress, and development of economy, economic development and development of economy. So look, these are not synonyms. Economic development and development of economy, these two are not synonyms, just the position is different. Development of economy. So this is the way of paraphrasing, and you have to learn this way of paraphrasing in order to get 7+ band scores. So first, look at the introduction. People are divided on the role of economic development. Some opine that it is essential in addressing poverty. So look, in the essay prompt, it is necessary. Economic development is necessary. But here we are writing essential. Necessary and essential, these are synonyms. While paraphrasing, we are writing essential instead of writing necessary. So it is essential in addressing poverty. Reduce the poverty, and instead of writing reduce, we are writing addressing. Addressing poverty. Reduce the poverty and addressing poverty. There are also other synonyms for reduce the poverty, like mitigates poverty, reduce the poverty, addressing poverty, mitigates poverty, and this poverty is lessened. So you see that we have not repeated this word reduce the poverty again and again in our introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. We have just written addressing poverty, mitigates poverty, and poverty is lessened. Whereas others say that it should be stopped as it causing irreversible damage to the environment. So in the question it was damaging the environment, and here we have damage to the environment. We have removed ing. Okay, so this is the way of paraphrasing. You just do not copy paste this essay prompt here in introduction. You have to paraphrase, and for paraphrasing you have to write synonyms like these: necessary, essential, addressing, or reduce, by using synonyms, or by just changing the position of different words, or by just adding ing or removing ing. So writing an introduction is a very crucial task for your essay. If you write introduction beautifully, if you are able to write introduction beautifully, then you would not be able to you would be able to get 7+ band scores. So learn the topic related vocabulary words, learn different word synonyms, and also learn how to write different sentence structures. So this essay intends to analyze both perspectives. I personally believe that we have to look into methods of economic development which are sustainable, topic related vocabulary word, and do not harm the environment, damaging the environment and harm the environment. So in introduction we have used two synonyms for this is not a synonym. We have just removed ing. We just paraphrase this statement. Damaging the environment, damage to the environment, and harm the environment. So stopping economic development is not the way out. In the question it is should be stopped, and here we are writing stopping. Instead of writing economic growth, then we write economic development. So stopping the economic growth, stopping economic development. We have written stopping economic development instead of writing economic growth should be stopped. Stopping in economic development is not the way out. So this is our introduction. Beautiful introduction. Next, our first body paragraph. The main reason why some people say that economic progress mitigates poverty is that by the development of economy, people can improve their quality of life. For example, in developed countries, even the poorest of the poor have the basic amenities of life such as food, clothing, and shelter. All the citizens enjoy high level of social welfare, and they enjoy free medical care and free education. Even in countries like India and China, because of the increase in GDP, the quality of life of people has improved. So this paragraph was about how poverty is reduced by economic development. Now, second body paragraph, on the other hand, those who say that economic progress should be stopped because it harms the environment. So look at the synonyms of damaging the environment, damage to the environment, harm the environment, harms the environment, harm, and now harms the environment. And here again damage to the environment. So here it is stop damaging the environment, and here control the damage to the environment. So control and stop, these are almost synonyms. So harms the environment give their argument that in the name of progress, industries are being set up, comma, which, this is the complex sentence, which requires some kind of energy to manufacture, operate, and maintain. So if you will only write simple sentences in your essay, then you would not be able to get 7+ band scores. In order to get 7+ band scores, 7.58, you have to write complex sentences, compound sentences, simple sentences, and conditional sentences. Most of the energy that is used in polluting the environment, effluents from large factories are being dumped indiscriminately, and landfill sites are filling up with non-biodegradable waste. So non-biodegradable waste example is plastic, and plastic it is non-decomposable. waste के decompose नहीं होता. Non-biodegradable substance, non-biodegradable material, non-compostable trash, नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल प्रोडक्ट्स. जैसे ये जो पैकेजिंग होती है, डिफरेंट हमारे घर में चीज़ें आती हैं, उनकी पैकेजिंग वो नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल होती हैं. अभी जो प्लास्टिक शॉपर्स होते हैं, दीज आर नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल, नॉन डिकम्पोजेबल, दे आर नॉन कंपोस्टेबल. तो इससे हमारी जो इन्वायरमेंट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा पोल्यूट हो रही है. सो दिस पैराग्राफ वाज अबाउट पोल्यूशन ड्यू टू इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. Now third body paragraph. I believe that with economic development, the damage to the environment is inevitable. However, we cannot put a halt on economic progress. In the question, it was should be stopped. Should be stopped. Economic growth should be stopped, and we are writing halt on economic progress. These are synonyms. Because the status of the underprivileged has to be improved, therefore we have to look into methods by which we can achieve progress and also control the damage to the environment. For instance, now example, we know that there are renewable sources of energy which are less polluting. So the answer lies in the green technologies. So renewable sources of energy and green technologies, these are same. And also eco-friendly sustainable development or ecologically sustainable development or eco-friendly, which increasingly use renewable sources of energy. We should also remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. In this way, we can achieve an ecologically sustainable development. In order for progress to cause minimum damage to the environment, sustainability has to be worked at. Summing up, there is no doubt that with economic development, poverty is lessened. At the same time, it is also definite that development is leading to pollution. But instead of stopping development, we can work upon environmentally friendly development. For environmentally friendly development, you can also write ecological development and green development. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comments.